Good morning, friends. I am Dr. Rohit Gulati. I practice pain management. Today, we are going to do a cervical epidural for multiple disc desiccations and pain in the neck, which radiates to bilateral upper limbs of the patient. We are going to do this procedure in local anesthesia with the patient in prone position. For cervical epidural, we must clean the area well with betadine first. Demarking the space between the C6 and C7, I gave 2% lignocaine for the local anesthesia. Remember, this procedure can be done under CM guidance also, but today we are performing it without the CM guidance. Midline directly perpendicular to the surface of the OT table or the ground of the OT. We inject local anesthetic with the blood and in the translamens, in between the transverse process of C6 and C7. We keep the needle here to confirm when we put the needle, we put the epidural needle or the Tuhi needle at the right place. In the meantime, we load the drugs by the time the effect will come. Move the needle and we identify the space because it has given us a bleb and redness. So I go perpendicular, feeling the space between the C6 and C6 transverse process, perpendicular to the ground, go slowly, stay in the midline, confirm that the needle is fixed. Now my needle is fixed. So now I take the loss of resistance range or LOR range. I proceed millimeter by millimeter, checking the resistance. When we see the loss of resistance is there, sometimes this paresthesia can come in case you are near the cord. So now we have confirmed our space and we are going to inject Depomedrol 2 ml, that is 80 milligrams, with normal saline volume made up to 10 ml. No local anesthetic has to be used in case of cervical epidural when we are giving epidural injection. So it is plain steroid injection that we are going to inject slowly. In this case, sometimes the patient may have pain radiating to shoulders, upper limbs, or the neck or head because all the nerves traverse through this area. So be very gentle and slow while pushing the drug solution. Keep checking the vitals for bradycardia, any sort of vomiting patient may have. Patient may complain of slight lightheadedness. All those issues can be there. Be very gentle. Be very slow in injecting. Pain हो रहा है? ठीक हो जाएगा सर अभी. So we check out the needle. We press the place. ठीक हो गया सर?